Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today is Tuesday, so that means it is the YouTubers Nail Art Weekly Stamping Collabs. This week the host is Judy from Judinka Nail Art. So her theme this week is mythical creatures. So you could choose any kind of creature that you wanted to do. As you can see from the stamping plate, I am going to be doing unicorns. I know I did one unicorns in my last collab a little while ago with this particular group, but I wasn't feeling like, I love mermaids too, but I wasn't feeling like doing a mermaid design. I don't have a ton of mermaid stamping plates, surprisingly, which I should probably have, but I think I'm going to try and use some different unicorn stamping designs on this plate than I did the last one. We'll see how it goes. So I'm going to be using a bunch of different products to do this design. As always, I will have everybody's links down below in the description box. As well, I will have everybody's pictures at the very end of the video. So be sure to check everyone out. They always do a fantastic job, so definitely check them out and subscribe to their channels. So we're going to go ahead and get straight into the video, and I'm going to let you know what I'm going to be using today. So first off, I'm going to be using this painted polish by Lexi, and this one is called, sorry if it will focus, Here to Patty. So I have that on my nails right now. As well, I have some nail tips from another video that I will be doing shortly. So that's 3 coats because I did it over bare nails with no base. But yeah, so that is my base color for today. And then the stamping plate I'm going to be using is from the Muyu London. This is from my mini box. This is the hipster collection, and this one is called Frankie the Hipster, and this one is hipster collection number 22. So I'm going to be using a bunch of different images from this plate, and then I'm going to be using some of these Essie watercolors, which I'm still meaning to do a video on these on how to actually do the design. I know I posted that on my Instagram a long time ago. So colors I'm going to be using are what's this one? Pen and ink. Sorry, it's not focusing. And then I'm going to be using, this one is Muse Myself, and then I'm going to be using Point of Blue. And then I'm going to use Love Sheen, so 4 different colors. I'm going to kind of put these over this particular polish, but I haven't decided if I'm going to stamp with black or white, so we will see how it goes. Alright, so we're going to kind of just paint these colors anywhere on the nail, and this is going to be our base. So I'm just going to lightly paint them. Try and take off like most of the polish because you don't really need a lot. And then just kind of paint them wherever you want to paint them. You can use any like transparent polish for this. So, and you can overlap too, because then it will make another color. And yeah, if you're happy with the way it looks, we're going to let that dry, and I'm going to do the rest of the nails, and we're going to get into stamping. Alright, so let me say I really like how this actually turned out. It looks pretty. Yeah, so that's my rainbow base that we're going to go for, these unicorns. So we're going to go ahead and get into stamping now. Alright, so we're going to stamp with white. And yeah, we're just going to go for it. So I think I'm going to do that one, that one, that one, this one, and I'm not sure. All right, let's go ahead because I haven't decided what I'm going to do. So I think I'm going to do this one on my ring finger. I think I'm going to keep with the white polish because I think it will show up the best. Hopefully. Yeah, that works. And then we'll do this one on my pinky, I think. Oh, by the way, I'm using Queen Cosmetics white stamping polish that I got in that kit a little while ago. Sorry you can't see that. Because I don't have a lot of light stamping polishes. I think all of them have kind of dried up. And then I think we'll do that one maybe on my thumb and this one in the middle. This is a very spontaneous, somewhat design. This is how I end up usually doing these. I just kind of guess what I'm going to do for the YouTubers Nail Art Weekly Stamping Collabs and end up turning out who knows how. Alright, and then what should I do for my... I know I haven't done that one, so maybe we'll do that one on my index finger. Let me know what your favorite stamping polishes are down below. Whether they're like just regular drugstore nail polishes or they're actual stamping polishes. Let me know because I'm interested to find some more, because I always kind of going with drugstore polishes because they're easier to get here and stuff like that. But I just know stamping polishes work way better, obviously. So let me know what you like to use. Alright, we are almost done this design. Alright, so I am going to clean up and top coat and we'll be back. And that is the finished design. I actually really love how it turned out. It is very unicorny, and with the rainbow colors it just turned out really good. So I actually really like it. I hope you guys like this design too. As always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.